Welcome back to the Children's Science Center Lab. My name is Kelly and I'm here to help you with your DIY experiment that you can do at home. So the things you'll need to gather first are water, oil, Alka-Seltzer, and if you really like to have some different colors, I've got red and yellow. So what we're going to do today is we're going to learn about hydrophilic and hydrophobic as well as an acid-base reaction. First, what I'm going to do is I'm going to measure out 40 milliliters of oil into my graduated cylinder. Even if you don't have a graduated cylinder at home, you can use a water bottle. So let's check this out. All right. It doesn't matter what type of oil you use. We're using vegetable oil as we do this. It's usually one of the easier ones to pick up at the grocery store. 40 milliliters, fantastic. But now we're gonna add water. So I'm gonna use our small beaker and our large beakers. I'm just gonna do 10 milliliters of water. Where do you guys think that water is gonna go? Is it gonna stay on top or is it gonna stay on the bottom? Let's see. All right, so I'm gonna put it in here. I think that the water is gonna stay on top. Oh wow, check out that reaction. Look at all those bubbles. But the water went to the bottom. What that means is that oil is lighter than water. Oil is hydrophobic, meaning it's afraid of the water, and water is obviously hydrophilic. So what I'm gonna do now is to really get our lava lamp bubbling, I'm gonna add some red food coloring. 1, 2. And some yellow. 2. Whoa, got a little extra in there. But you'll notice that the food coloring is just bubbling and sitting on top of the water. Food coloring is usually water-based, which is why it seems to be getting wrapped in a hug as it goes down that oil. So I wonder if we could do something about this to get those colors to really kind of mix in with the water and the oil. I know, we really need to get it moving, right? So I'm gonna use Alka-Seltzer, which if you don't know what that is, you can take that when you have an upset stomach. At least our parents used to anyways. So I'm gonna put in a larger piece of the Alka-Seltzer and see what happens. Ooh. And it's awesome. That's fantastic. Hey, look, the colors are great. So, oh wow. Hey, can you guys see those little bubbles that are coming up? Oh, it's getting faster. You know what? This is the acid-base reaction I was talking about. So what's happening, here's a little bit more Alka-Seltzer, is that I put the Alka-Seltzer into our lava lamp, our lava tubes, and it's right now releasing carbon dioxide bubbles, which are trying to struggle or get up to the top. So let's see what happens if we keep going like this for a little bit. Looks like it's still getting more and more, and I've still got colors all over. All right, look at those bubbles. Wonder what would happen if I added, oh, check that out. Wonder if we could add a little more water, if that would do anything to speed up our reaction. Check out the colors that are being moved up with those carbon dioxide bubbles as they go up to the top and they pop open and they're releasing that carbon dioxide. What a great lava tube. This is something you can do at home, and you can try different measurements. See what happens if you add more water and less oil, or if you have even amounts. Thank you again for coming to see me here at the Children's Science Center Lab, and I hope you guys have fun making your own lava tubes at home.